All right, well, I need a drink to get started. Oh yeah, just a little bit more. Well, hello world. So for today's video, we are going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. Wait a minute. I forgot to do my intro. So we're gonna rewind. It's coming, Dahlia. And thank you for tuning in for another video of mine. So for today's video, we are going to be doing the February Boxycharm unboxing. I have missed January and February's Boxycharm months, but that's just a whole different video. Today is Valentine's Day. Hubby is gone. Kids are sleeping. So I have my wine. It's Stella Black Rose. It's very delicious. It is a sweet red. And my homemade chocolate covered strawberries, but you can see I try to do like a little design. So I'll be eating that. I'll be doing, be drinking my wine, and we're gonna be unboxing this box. So let's get started. So when you open the box, you see this first, and it's the theme of this month is Afterglow. So let me keep this right here because I always tend to forget. I always forget about this to tell you the prices. So good. So I'm not gonna be doing anything really crazy. I just want to slap this on. I'm in my pajamas. I'm not going anywhere fancy. I'm literally gonna drink my wine, like I said, and eat my chocolates, do this quick little makeup thingy, and wipe it off, take a shower, go to bed. So first things first, just by looking at this and kind of looking it over, I know that I got this. Let me move my mirror a little bit closer. You know what? Let me get my smaller mirror. Where is it? Is it in the way? Sorry, no, it's not. Okay. And you like how I put these ears there, so I look more put together. But let's keep it moving. So I'm going to put on this No Problem Primer. Smooth and pore covering. I do have some pores right here, my nose, and a little bit right here. Before I get started, let me tell you how much, because like I said, I always forget. What is this? Where is it? Is it not on here? Oh, I didn't realize Touch and Soul made this. So Touch and, is it Sol or Soul? Touch and Soul? Touch and Soul. I don't know. So it's, what is it? It is $18. I wonder if this is full size. I mean, it's 1 ounce. So, but it's really nice. It's glass with my janky nails. Sorry. Are my hands even clean? Oh well, my face. Okay. So I'm just going to use like, I can't tell if you can see it. Let me use like a little small amount. Oh, what is that? Okay, let's just put in like my problem areas as I spread it all through my face. Whatever. Yeah. Ooh, it smells good though. It smells really nice. I was biting my nails on the way home from dropping the hubby off at the airport. Got super anxious. Yeah, that's why they look even jankier than usual. I got a new Eco Tool sponge, so let me go ahead and put foundation on. Am I gonna put a lot? Probably not, like I said. This foundation does not match me. I will say that. I am losing my tan. Can you tell? Doesn't look that bad. I really want to eat this strawberry, but I can't multitask. Just cover my eyelids a little bit. I didn't even do my eyebrows. Jeez. Let's put a little bit more on my forehead. I don't think I need a lot. I don't have a big forehead. I may take a quick strawberry moment real quick. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of concealer real quick and just kind of do my base really quickly, nothing too crazy, as I keep putting more concealer on. And that was just, what was that? Makeup Revolution, the Conceal and Define. Just pat off the excess. Looks good, feels good. Just taking some Makeup Revolution banana powder, and I'm going to set this. We're gonna set it and forget it. Let's do the other one, like I said, quick and easy. Smooth sailing. Set right here. Kind of set my whole face with this powder. That's what happens when you're just not careful on what you're doing and you're just going ham with it. A little bit of more wine. All right. Now we're gonna go back into the box and we are going to grab this. This is bronzer. So this is by Pretty Vulgar. It's Bronze Bee bronzer. Yeah, Bronze Bee bronzer. Vegan, matte, gives your skin a natural, radiant looking finish. And I'm assuming it's full size and it retails for $32. Mine's cracked or scratched. There you go. Now you can see it. You see it? That line right there? Yeah. I wonder how that got there. But it's intact, so that's a bonus. Let me get this dirty brush right here. Let me just dip it in. Ooh, there's a lot of kickback on it. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, I think it's pretty. I don't really put too much on my forehead because I have a small forehead, so we are not trying to make that even smaller. Look at all these baby hairs in the way. Oh yeah, I like it. I'm just putting on some blush. This is MAC, Peaches by MAC. I just can't. These eyebrows, I just can't. Oh well, we gonna keep it moving to a strawberry. Let me eat one more. Not one more because I have more, but I'm gonna eat one right now. Do I got chocolate? But we have two things left in the box. This one right here, what is this? By Nudestix. It is a magnetic luminous eye color. I don't know what I just read. So is it a primer? Is it an eyeliner? Or is it just an eyeshadow? I'm a bit confused. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this all over my eyelid. How about that? Let's figure this out. Let's learn together. Should I use my fingers to like spread it? Let's see what happens. Okay, let's turn this into something. Just using a transition shade just to kind of blend out that color. There we go. Can you see that? I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Okay, works for me. Let me do the other eye. I wonder if it's like those NYX jumbo pencils that you can get one of those erasers, the jumbo pencil sharpeners to sharpen it. Cause I mean, if that's it, then we'll be done by the end of this video. Like we won't have anything left. So I'm just grabbing another brush. I'm gonna add a little bit, what is this, Elfish? from the ColourPop and Kathleen Lights collaboration. Just gonna add a little bit right here on the outer corner. Okay, moving along, because I'm sweating. Maybe the wine's kicking in and I'm starting to get hot. Let's pour some more. Like, oh, why do I have like wine on the table? And I got makeup on it too. Ooh, I'm shaking the camera. I gotta clean this up. Oh my gosh. I got a stain. Sorry. Okay, let's keep it moving. Okay, what are we gonna do? Oh, the last product in the box is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I can't say that I've actually used this product, and it's not the last product in the box. I took this thing out. Oops. But this is the last thing for your face. Let me take a bite of this. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I didn't even really curl it. My dirty eyelash. Don't judge me. You know, like I was saying, I don't think I've actually used this product before, but this is a full-size product and it retails for $24. Let's see how this looks. I mean, I look cute. I like it. I gotta know where to go, but yeah, this is cute. So I said, how much is this? $24. And the last thing in the box is this. It is Sol de Janeiro. I don't know. Janeiro? Sol de Janeiro? I don't know. I'm not good at pronunciation. This is Coco Cabana Cream. So is this for your body? Yes. It is. I answered my own questions. So let me open this because I'm about to take this, turn off the camera, and take a shower. So we're going to need a cream. But let me go ahead and smell this. Okay. Oh, and I don't know if this is full size, but this retails for $20. I would assume this is like a mini travel or some sort. Ooh, okay. I definitely smell vanilla, and I smell like, it said toasted praline. This smells good. Ooh, okay. I'm excited. Let me put a little bit on my finger. Let me put a little bit right here. Let me see. Can you tell? Oh, let me do this. So look right there. Okay, I'm horrible. Yeah, go this way. Nope. Go that way. Whatever. We're gonna blend it into that swatch. Ooh, and it made that swatch go away. Ooh, I like this because my hands have been super dry. And can't wait to jump in the shower and get out and use this. So, let me do the math. $118 is the total value of this box, and I only paid 21 bucks for it. I mean, you honestly can't beat this deal. I don't know what to tell you. I'm happy that I have subscribed. Okay guys, so this completes the look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Since you made it this far, you must have subscribed and hit that notification bell to get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. Go ahead and push the like button if you found this video to be funny. Like this video if you like wine. Like this video if you think I ramble too much, but you know what? Go ahead and like this video, and don't forget to share this video with everyone and anyone, and until next time. Bye guys! This background, those curtains, it really is horrendous. Look, when you're trying to hide an ugly hairdo, you just add some ears. Let me go ahead and add some more wine.